Okay, percussionists, welcome back. Here's your practice video for week 2. Now, in addition to learning a few new concepts this week, we're going to use this video to review the concepts we learned in week 1. But we're going to move the tempos up and do them a little bit faster. So, we're going to start out by refreshing our memory of our grip. Remember to make a hook right over the American flag or the tape on your sticks. Put the thumb right on the stick, right there. Same thing with the other hand, hook and thumb. All right, we're going to get those in our hands, get those fingers further around. Next thing, find your space to the drum. So stand straight, bend at the elbows, bring your tips together, and you'll find that your hands make a nice big piece of pizza. It's a 90-degree angle. Okay, so we do that. Tips together, move your elbows forward and arms out just a little bit. Now at that point, you should be right over the middle of your drum. If you need to, take a little step forward. All right. And there we go. So we're going to review 8 on a hand first, which uses a rebound stroke. So let's do 4 rebound strokes on each hand just to remember. Here's the right hand. 1, 2, ready, go. And we're remembering to come all the way up on every stroke. You want the tip of the stick pointing at the ceiling. Same thing with the left hand. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, and then you notice the hand that's not playing stays right there, right next to the drum. Okay, here we go. We're going to start out. We're going to do 8 on a hand. We're going to go through the whole cycle twice. So we're going to play 8 times 8 on a hand, starting with the right hand, and then we'll do 8 times 8 on a hand, starting with the left hand. This is, the metronome marking is 136 if you want to practice this on your own. Ready? Find your grip, find your position, hands apart, back of the hand facing toward the ceiling, and 1, 2, right hand, 2, ready, go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and right, 2, and left. Make sure the stick is going straight up and down. Back to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The other hand stays right next to the drum. And last one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. That's your first time through. Now we start with the left hand. Same drill, 8 on a hand. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Left. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And right. Time, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stop. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is review our single stroke rolls. So we're going to go back and forth, 1 stroke on each hand, and we're going to play these 2 per beat. So the metronome's going to be 108, and we're going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2. All right, and we're going to go back and forth. We're going to play 16 beats starting with the right hand, and then 16 beats starting with the left hand. Then we'll do the right hand again and the left hand again, 4 times through. For this drill, the single stroke roll, our metronome marking this week is 108. Remember, 2 strokes per beat. That right hand is going to stay right with the metronome for this first time through. And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and ready and go. Start with the left hand. Get ready. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, stop. Back to the right hand. Get ready. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, stop. As you're doing this, make sure that you are standing up straight and don't hunch over as you play. Last time now, starting with the left hand. And 1, 2, 1, 2, Now we're going to move on to the third skill that we learned last week, and that's the double stroke roll. It's 2 on each hand. So just try that one time, 2 rights and 2 lefts. Okay? We're going to go the same exact speed and tempo as we went for the single stroke roll. And we're going to start with the right hand first, then we'll go right hand, and then we'll do the whole thing. Then we'll do the left hand. We'll do 4 sets, 2 on the right, 2 on the left. So our tempo still is 108, and we're playing 2 notes per beat. Starting with the right hand, get set, get over your drum, check your grip, check your posture. 1, 2, and 1 and 2, and ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, stop. Now start with the left hand. Get ready, and 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, stop. Back to the right hand. Get ready, check your posture, stand straight, tips over the drum, nice big setup, and the back of the hand toward the ceiling. 2, right hand, 2, and ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, stop. Last time now. Start with the left hand, check your posture, be ready. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, stop. Okay. Now a little thing I want to show you, now that we're warmed up, we can shake out our hands a little bit. Take your stick, just grab it in the middle, and you can twist your wrists. Okay. One other good stretch. Tuck your sticks under your arm. You can take your hand flat and just pull ever so gently up and ever so gently down, and try to relax these muscles back in your arm. And do that before you go on to play the rest of your practice session. So good work today. And now we're going to learn this week new skills like the paradiddle and the flam, and then next week they'll be part of our practice video as well. Good luck.